In this video, we'll review your OrthoMap tools. Once you've uploaded an OrthoMap from your GeoTIFF file, you can view it in the folder that you uploaded it to. At the top of the console, we have the name of your map and your map options. Opening the map options, you can see you have the option to edit the name. You can delete the map. You can share this link with someone else and they can open and view this map without requiring an account on SkyClaim. You can also move this to another folder and you can locate the map in case you've moved to another place on the map. You can close the folder options by selecting the option button again. You also have a map transparency slider or opacity slider. By default, it is at full opacity. By decreasing opacity, you can see the underlying satellite base map. This can be useful in identifying chronic problems in your field that are visible from year to year in satellite imagery. We also have a Greenness Index. You can turn on the Greenness Index to indicate the plant health. This is an indication of plant vigor and is useful for early to mid-season annual plants during the vegetative growth stage when plants are expected to be green. In some cases, the Greenness Index can be useful in identifying damaged areas of your field alone. You can also see the area of the OrthoMap that you uploaded, both in acres and in hectares.